Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved reels on Facebook. So you can see I am on my reels section. So let's try to save these reels. Save, and it got saved. The question is where it got saved. So that's what I'm going to teach you. So first of all you have to do is tap on this menu icon on the top right corner, navigate to reels section, and you will see this profile icon on the top right corner. Tap on this, and here is the saved option. This is the list of saved reels on your profile. Okay, this is how you find saved reels on Facebook. So this is the one option, and I have a one bonus tips for you. If you have anything to do with saved post on Facebook, all you have to do is, this is the bonus one. Just tap on this and go to this saved section and see all, and you will find this filter option here. From here you can find also either not only reels, but you can find all of related to saved post on Facebook, like photo only, videos only, photos only, links. This is the save just bonus tip, but that was just how you can find reels or anything. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, comment down your thought, and we'll meet you on my next video.